Thursday, $1,230. Friday, $1,170. Saturday, $1,080.
If you want to get results like those, just watch this short video carefully. Hey, my name's Mark. Just a few months back, I was also looking for a way to earn money online because I was fired from my job and a little one was also on the way. My wife was doing 2 jobs because of her jobless husband, but I had a very strong desire to earn money online and I knew I could make it work. I took many courses and did multiple online businesses in the past, like Fiverr and dropshipping, but I never succeeded. Until one day when I watched a video, like you're watching right now, and I figured out a new way to earn money online where I don't have to find or create a product or do endless customer support to deal with inventory. But in that new business, I had to do only one thing, and that was market those products online on a platform like Facebook ads. And that business was affiliate marketing. So if you want to learn how I got these amazing results from affiliate marketing, then my mentor is doing a free training where you can learn how to get these amazing results like me. Click on the Learn More button.